Rara lara to lose you, girl. Ah, rara lara to lose you, girl. Damn. First of all, I just wanna say good thanks to the Love Brothers. Now I'm giving you all the permission to spread the nyash of us. And I'm playing. So yeah, man, all the way to the FIFA World Cup 2026. Yeah, man, I don't wanna lie. There was a time where like even needed to go to 77 and our calculators. Well, but there was a lot. They were in a chaos. We couldn't be able at some point to beat Zimbabwe and stuff. But I just wanna say, congratulations to the bro boys. Not congratulations to the boy. Congratulations actually to all of us. Well, boys in South Africa. I believe we deserve it more than any other nation on this group, and I just want to say I wish in Nigeria all the best with like qualifying group stages on the top 4 group stage that they're about to play. Very about the Love Brothers. I love you all. Did a beautiful job today. Then imagine Benin going to World Cup. That was gonna be mad business. If we're like we're being honest, it is one of the African team, but like I believe it's like we needed like the most strongest African team on the World Cup just for us as Africa also. Which like to stand a better chance to win a very World Cup, and if like one of African teams win World Cup, that will be beautiful. And after a long time, ever since because on 2010 I didn't know much about football then, but Magdalama World Cup every time I'm tired of supporting every African team in a Portugal or Argentina available. But this time I'm gonna be supporting my nationality, which is great, and I'm gonna be supporting. I think I'm gonna be supporting 2 teams, which is Portugal and Mzansi available, but mainly Mzansi and Portugal because of Cristiano Ronaldo. So yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful thing. I hope we'll go all the way available to a good round of 16 and do like let's just like show the world what's actually got him. And I believe actually that I know like South Africa is one of the countries that has the more, it is even believe the most talented country, and it will be beautiful to show pull up USA to just show what it is not about into ama superstars now. It is all about value and stuff, because also saw the World Cup was actually Mamelodi Sundowns deal, and it will be beautiful available my into and stuff. And congratulations to the players lababele bakora ikore gambata, even though keeper it was questionable that which was happened, and then a police what a beautiful goal the la kora uye, and then a gama hopa keeper began Sevilla but one available again available. Me as a fan, it was kind of this was kind of annoying because I was actually watching the match when it happened available just for the vibe and stuff, because it always feels like different when maybe a Pirates or Chiefs play, or like a national team, special national team, because everybody just supporting available. It was kind of annoying for me because like our fans were love available, they were busy making a whole lot of noise, but I believe which like I balance entertaining as much which was just dividing the nation into 2 times, because it is just gonna be a thing available, a temporary situation. And then after that next time so clearly USA World Cup is gonna be a different feeling, everybody available so support and stuff. So then over support and stuff so yeah, congratulations again for like the boys and a player like today who was on. Actually there were 2 players which there was 1 player, the other one available Spombul actually available Chef, but also Asuna Police today. Yeah, name the guy was just on something else. He was just on something else. He was just becoming who Eden Hazard at some point. I couldn't understand what is actually happening with him there, but like he was on fire today, if we're being honest. I just love to give like him his flowers. Yeah, but he actually did like a beautiful job. That's why Logi the way actually did like a beautiful job. Well, yeah, but so yeah, I just wanted to give him my flowers. And yeah, it was just a beautiful made from like Bafana available. There's no passing of things like in criticize or anything. About it is a example for me about aspects as a football fan when I'm supporting a team or good team to be displayed. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, next year FIFA World Cup silapha USA, we're gonna be showing them our talent. Kumele kancane sike sikuthile nje sigibele lapha on the world stage vele yabo, because last time we qualified it was because of World Cup, and also the boys today actually made it debut vele yabo. And I just wanna say ukuthi I don't know if many people actually noticed that, but as soon as police there was a time I lapha lining and then he told the coach with a substitute. Speaking of substitutes, as pin this be a late like PSL. There's a team. I figure when I'm players, they are not substituted, they are putting pressure on coach. Today they substituted a player second half for the first time, I think on the 84th or on the 85th minute. You didn't see fans Alogata, which is something that coaching with pressure stuff. And I'm not saying I'm happy with that, because like I believe which we needed which very able to substitute my players. But yeah, it is what it is. Right now it is just all smiles available. And at the end of the day, let me tell you a funny story about the end of the match. Was a pretty match. Minister of Sports available at culture whatever, yeah. Lo imkhohliwe eshe yabo, ngikhohle nomkhohlo umakhadi it is not. I forgot igama lakhe yabo. I'm so disappointed as a South African citizen. So he was celebrating, he was like, we're going to the USA, we're going to the USA. Somebody was like, nah, I was still waiting for VAR. And yeah, I just wanted to share that thing with you all. I don't even know what to say with this video, but yeah, I'm happy, and I'm not gonna be analyzing most of our games this time around, because yeah, I'm writing about examinations. I think I'm gonna be analyzing only or a course, and yeah, thank you.